Part 1. Morning. Wake up. I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Stretch. I stretch my arms and legs after I wake up. Make the bed. I make my bed before I leave the room. Brush teeth. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Wash face. I wash my face to feel fresh. Take a shower. I take a shower to get clean. Get dressed. I get dressed for work. Make breakfast. I make breakfast every morning. Eat breakfast. I eat breakfast at the dining table. Drink coffee. I drink coffee to start my day. Drink tea. I drink tea in the morning. Meditate. I meditate to relax my mind. Read the news. I read the news online. Write in a journal. I write in my journal about my day. Check email. I check my email for new messages. Check social media. I check social media to see my friends' posts. Feed pets. I feed my cat every morning. Water plants. I water my houseplants once a day. Take vitamins. I take vitamins with breakfast. Listen to music. I listen to music on my way to work. Plan the day. I plan my day in a notebook. Check the weather. I check the weather before leaving the house. Exercise. I exercise to stay fit. Go for a walk. I go for a walk in the park. Prepare a to-go meal. I prepare a sandwich to take with me. Put on makeup. I put on makeup before I leave the house. Style hair. I style my hair with gel. Shave. I shave my beard every morning. Iron clothes. I iron my shirt before I wear it. Organize bag. I organize my bag with everything I need. Make a to-do list. I make a to-do list to stay organized. Leave for work/school. I leave for work at 8 a.m. Lock the door. I lock the door when I leave. Take out the trash. I take out the trash in the morning. Part 2. Noon. Eat lunch. I eat lunch at 12 p.m. Take a break. I take a break from work to relax. Go for a walk. I go for a walk to stretch my legs. Call family/friends. I call my family during my lunch break. Read a book. I read a book during my break. Listen to a podcast. I listen to a podcast while I work. Go to the gym. I go to the gym for exercise. Visit a cafe. I visit a cafe for coffee. Run errands. I run errands during my lunch break. Grocery shopping. I do grocery shopping in the afternoon. Go to a doctor's appointment. I have a doctor's appointment at 1 p.m. Meet friends for lunch. I meet my friends at a restaurant for lunch. Do laundry. I do laundry on my lunch break. Prepare dinner. I prepare dinner for the evening. Work on a hobby. I work on my hobby in the afternoon. Organize workspace. I organize my workspace after lunch. Refill water bottle. I refill my water bottle to stay hydrated. Clean up. I clean up my workspace after lunch. Take a nap. I take a nap if I have time. Answer emails. I answer my emails after lunch. Attend a meeting. I have a meeting in the afternoon. Browse the internet. I browse the internet for new information. Take a yoga class. I take a yoga class to relax. Go to a park. I go to the park for fresh air. Visit a museum. I visit a museum on weekends. Watch a TV show. I watch a TV show during my break. Update planner. I update my planner with new tasks. Do a craft project. I do a craft project in my free time. Write a letter. I write a letter to my friend. Take care of houseplants. I take care of my houseplants daily. Pet a dog/cat. I pet my dog when I get home. Do yard work. I do yard work in the afternoon.